Welcome. We will here present the CIRAN MOOC on mining, land use, permitting, and critical raw materials in complex times. An introduction. I am Ronald Arvidsson, and I work at the Geological Survey as a geophysicist and a geologist. I've been working here for the past 13 years, particularly in EU-related research on mining policy and also on technology exploration, mainly. Also been head of our Mineral Information Office. I'm educated as a geologist and as a geophysicist. I have a PhD. I've been an associate professor at the Uppsala University. So, what is this MOOC about? To begin with, this is a rock that contains two minerals, chalcopyrite and pentlandite. These two minerals, they contain copper and they contain nickel, among other elements. But they are two main minerals that we need for these resources. And the question is, how do we find these minerals? How do we develop them? How do we get it into the legal process of permitting and land use? What are practical aspects to consider here? And how do we calculate the resources? And we also will give a view to practical cases and also what happens with people who live in the vicinities and are concerned about mining. And to cover this, we will also have an entrance into mining technologies. And for this, we have 9 chapters that we would like you to go through. And the target group for us now, it is those that are in need of a basic knowledge, what is mining about, what are the challenges when it comes to nature restoration, nature protection, and also all legal practical aspects. So junior officers at authorities that are dealing with any kind of a permitting, any kind of a protected nature, anyone who needs a practical introduction. So we will go from the need of raw materials, why we have it, where we can find data, land use, resource, permitting, the environmental mitigation, and also how this called strategic project, which is connected to something called the Critical Raw Materials Act, and also stakeholder issues, as well as the mining technologies, as we mentioned. Welcome to join our MOOC.